Because Taz is my brother, and I don't want him to feel like somebody trying to get over and give out stuff and all of that. And that's not the case. Hi YouTube, it's Madonna Rogers, and I am in a Zoom conference call with my team. I can turn them down. All right, so this is about the presidential election and trading Forex during the election. I really don't want to leave this Zoom. This is my family here. We trade together. Let me just see if I can muffle it a little bit. Thank you for joining. So let's get to the charts. Let's get to the SBA 5.0, which is the star of the show. So I'm trading gold right now, and my intention is to hold gold for a week, for as long as I can, and ride this election time in the gold, medal on Forex. So here's the SBA 5.0. I jumped in gold earlier, I want to say about 11 a.m. I decided to get in because all signs pointed to it buying up. So I'm going to go to the hour time frame. There is a star bar arrow, which is what the SBA stands for, star bar arrow. Give me a second. SBA stands for star bar arrow. Star bar arrow is this star, or this star, this bar, and this arrow. Anytime you see a green arrow pointing to the upside, that is an indication for a buy, right? So when this came on the scene, this is on an hour, it means that you want to buy, and you're going to hold this trade typically if you can withstand any pullbacks until a star bar arrow to the opposite side for a sell comes on scene. So let's go back in time, and I'll show you the 4 different star bar arrows. We have a green for the grade. I guess my software disconnected, but I'm back online. Let me see if I have anyone joining me. Welcome to anyone who gets on my live. This is the Presidential Forex Trading with a 100% proven Forex software, right? This is called the SBA 5.0. Get back to it. Let's get to my broker. So we're looking for grade B sells and a grade B buy arrow. Let's go to the lower time frame, see if we get one. Just scrolling left to find. Only seeing grade A's on gold. Let's go to the 1 minute. We should definitely find something different on a 1 minute. Okay, so we have a grade B buy, and if you held it from the grade B buy to the grade A, the grade B buy to the grade B sell, you could have potentially caught 36 pips. From the grade B sell to the grade A buy, let's calculate how many pips we could have caught there. I'm gonna calculate when the candles turn black to the arrow. That is 43 pips. So what I do what I prefer to do when I'm trading is I have added an extra indicator onto my chart, which is the Tekensen line, which is represented by the blue line, and the Kitchensen line, which is represented by the red line. This comes from the Ichimoku cloud. I really like the Ichimoku cloud trading method. We have a 7-figure trader on our team, and she can call out trades like back to back to back, and her trades always win. And she follows the cloud method. So I started doing my research and using this indicator, the SBA 5.0, and adding the TK lines because she always mentioned the TK cross, take the trade. So I just put the Tekensen and the Kitchensen lines on my chart. And so when I get a indication for a buy or sell, in this case a grade B buy, I will wait for the Kitchensen and the Tekensen lines to cross. The Tekensen has to be above in order for it to be about a valid buy. So when the lines cross, I take the trade, the blue above the red, and I go all the way to the next arrow. That's 26 pips. All right. So yes, I wait until that line cross. Yes, I do miss some pips, but I also miss some pullbacks as well. So if I decided to get in when that blue arrow painted, I this white candle, this black candle, this white candle represents pullback, or the market's still moving from one direction to another, pullback or consolidation, and basically I would have just been waiting, been in a negative before I got in a positive. So here, whether Tekensen line crosses above, this is all profit. So that's what I do. And again, if I were to take this trade when the pink arrow came on the scene for sell, I would have waited for the Tekensen line already crossed under, and the Kitchensen was above. So this would have been a great time for me to take this sell, except I would have waited till a candle painted black first, indicating that strong selling pressure. And let's say I stayed in until maybe this star, I would have caught 53 pips on gold. So my plan is to do a swing trade on gold and just hold on to it during this election week. I feel like it is the best trade to hold during election. I'm sure that they all will be making a lot of money, but this trade for sure I'm going to stay in. I just wish I would have gotten a lot earlier. Green arrow painted, I would have been in deeper profits. I'm thankful for this 5-6 pip catch that I have now. It's gone up more than that, and of course it fluctuates. That is my 5.0, the SBA 5.0. This software is available to everyone on our team. The name of the company that I'm with is Atlas and Beyond. Atlas and Beyond is a phenomenal company where they teach their customers how to trade. The product is an educational platform. They have also hired many different professional traders who call out trades for us, who hold they hold training sessions all throughout the day and night, because we have teams in Africa, we have people in the Bahamas, all over the Caribbean, all over the world. So we have a very large Latin community as well in the team. So we have many different traders who trade professionally, who take their time out to teach the community, so that everyone is making money. They call out trades, and this evening we're going to be holding a market watch during the election. I can't wait because this is my very first time trading during the election. I've been trading now for about 8 months, and I really began to take this seriously here over the last month or so. I'm really glad that I am, because this is something that I'm excited about, truly excited about, and I'm happy to share it with everyone. So that is that. And let's see if I can find any other trades. I like to trade the NASDAQ 100. Let me see if there's anyone on with me right now. No one yet. But most people watch lives during the replay anyway. I have a very new channel. It's called Project Power. Please subscribe. I will continually bring more videos to the uh, YouTube public for trading education, um, as well as I would like to trade during the London session, trade live on YouTube because I hear London is lit. I haven't traded London in a couple months now. I haven't traded pairs during London, but I have traded indices during the London session just a few weeks ago. But anyway, London is a lot of fun. If you can wake up, you can trade with me. I would do it live here on YouTube, take trades. Um, Getting back to my broker. Oh yeah, okay. So we're gonna take a look at NAS 100. So we have a star bar arrow on the 1 hour, pointing to the upside. NAS has already hit both the ADR low and the ADR high. Let's see what it's doing on the lower time frames. This is the 15-minute. Let's see how much it has rode up since the star bar arrow painted. Hmm. All right. I'm gonna go to the last gold candle. Ooh, 2,600. Is that correct? 2,659 pips. This is going back to 11/3 at 1 a.m. So from 1 a.m., if I was up and ready to trade, this would have been something good for me to have held on to. Yeah. Let's see what it's doing on the even lower time frames for a good scalp. It's selling. We got a bar. I don't see a star. Let me see if I can move this a little bit. Okay, star bar arrow to the downside not long ago. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. An hour and 5 minutes ago. Started trending downward on the 1 minute, on a 5-minute time frame. On the 1 minute, on the 1 minute, still going down. Let's go in for a quick sell, right? So, did it? Did it? Did it? Okay. Does it say I don't have enough? Interesting. I can't get in. Maybe because oh, hey, my account is very little on this one, so maybe that's possibly why. But darn, I wanted to jump in. Ooh. Well, the purpose of me having this little account is just to see what it's like to trade um, during this time anyway. I have some, I guess. Oh, and that's money. So brokers are not gonna let you just jump in. If you are would be in um how you say in jeopardy of hitting a margin call. So I do have an option with another broker that seem like I would have to put money into in order to take a trade on Nas right now. I don't have any money in that broker, but the purpose of me doing this is just an experiment to see what it's like to trade during the election because I expected, very, very high volatility. Um, and I've experienced some things already with seeing how quickly Nas can swing in one direction and, and pretty much knock you out. So I'm actually being a very cautious trader. So it's a good thing that I wasn't able to get into the Nas trade. I already have my money on gold as I continue to collect pips in gold and secure my profit. I will continue to add positions in gold, add positions in gold. So, yeah. But boy, if I was gonna get in right about here, I would have been in pure profit. That would have been so fun for this. Oh my God, that's 100 pips right there. I would have been smiling. I would have been smiling on this live. I'm still smiling. But yeah, okay, so you see, I know what I'm doing, right? Trade with me. Trade with me. I'm going to increase this account, maybe use a different account, um, different broker, possibly this evening when I trade London. I'm going to have more money in this account so that we can have some fun. We can have some fun trading. Let's see if anyone joined my live yet. All right, so this was just a quick video just to let you all check back in with me on my coverage of the presidential Forex trading with a proven 100% software. And I intend to be back this evening at 9. I left some information in the description on how you can contact me, as well as a website that you can go to for a tutorial on this software that I've already done. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment and subscribe for more content. I'm really enjoying doing these live so far, and it's something that I want to continue. So if you have found this helpful, if you want to trade using the SBA software or know someone who could really benefit from trading using the SBA software, let me know. Comment below and I can get you plugged in. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to end the live stream here. This has been Madonna Rogers of itsmadonnarogers.com.